and welcome back to another video. So today, as you guys can see, I am rocking a hat. Wondering why I'm rocking a hat? So let's get into this video. So this video is about how many different ways that you can style a headband wig. So this is a headband wig, guys. Yes, it is. Can you believe it? No, but it is. So this is a headband wig, and you can style it like I have on a cap right now. Yeah, repping, you know, for those lazy comfy days that you just don't want to do nothing to your hair and you just throw it on. So this is one way that you can style this wig, and let me show you a different way of styling this hair. So you take it off, bam, fluff this bad boy. Okay, and this is another way you can just wear this wig in this way. So that is 2 ways already. I've shown you how to wear this hair. Easy peasy. You know, you just do it and go. All right, so I'm gonna go in with a headband, and I'm gonna show you another way. So, all right. And these are just some of the different ways that you could style this. And that's the good thing about this wig, it's versatile, so you don't have to just stick to one thing. You could do a few. All right, so I'll pull this back a bit, and voila, bam, 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 just like that. And this hair is pretty much up and ready to go. Let me see if I fix this properly. All right, we'll just crisscross this bad boy. All right, and just want to make sure that this side is pulled down. Okay, all right guys, and bam, just like that. Look at that. And there is another style for you to wear, right? And if you don't want to wear it like this, you can also let your girl show you how to do it. Let your girl show you how to do this. Okay, and I'm gonna do a high up. Put my hair high up in one. Let your girl show you the tricks if you have a headband wig and don't know what to do with it. Don't know what to do with it. So this is a high bun messy ponytail. Definitely a high bun messy. I'm going for that messy look, you know, that look when you're jogging. That high bun messy jogging look. All right, so now that I have it high, I need to fix. Let's get this fixed, and I'll show you how this one works as well. All right, so let's do a little bit of twisting. Okay, all right, so this one, so I twist it a bit. Okay, and let out a little bit of baby hairs with this one. Just make sure you cover that cap there so nobody is seeing that portion. Wait, all right, so okay, let me just fix this part here. All right, so I just want to let a little bit of baby hairs out. All right, so there we go. So there is a high ponytail. This is a high ponytail that you can rock and you're good to go. And the back, she shows no cap at the back, so the back is covered and you're good to go. And I could also do it in a high bun. So you would take your hair and twist. Let me adjust this camera a little bit more. All right, so take the bun, you twist this, and I'm gonna do a high messy bun. So this is a high messy bun look. Okay, and you tuck it under. All right, and there you go. So now I have a high messy bun look, and that is another look. So hey, like I said, this headband wig is versatile. You could do a lot of different things with it. And let me take it down. Okay, So say you don't want that look, let me show you another one. Let me show you another trick. You can also do a half up, half down hairstyle. Okay, so let me make sure I do the staplings, do it like that. Okay, put this here, and you could also do your baby ear hairs if you want. That's another way that you can have this look done. So you do your baby hairs and you got that going for you as well. So this is a half up, half down look I'm going for, but I'm gonna do the half up here. So you do a half up, half down look. So this is just a few example of what you can do with this hair. It's almost just like having any regular hair in and styling it. You just gotta know how to style it, and then when you spread it apart. Okay, so there you go. I got a half up, half down look going on. You can wear it just with the black if you want, or like I said, you can put this on. All right. Oh, headband's gonna choke me. Okay, so, and like I said, so you could put this on. So if you are worrying about all of that, put it on. If you don't want the lace part to show, you can put it on. And if, like I said, you don't even want your baby hairs to show, you can cover it like that. So you can cover it and wear it like that. And look, you have a half up, half down hairstyle. You could do a half up, half down hairstyle with a bun. So I would do a big messy bun. You know those big messy bun that you usually see girls wear? So the big donuts, I call them. All right, so you have the, there you go. So you have the half up, half down messy, and you could also do the other style where you braid here. So you could twist here. See, these are just some versatile styles I'm showing you guys that you can do with this hair. So you can twist it and have like that nice twist style if you want. Twist or braid, and you have that half up, half down style, same way, and you just rock with it. So you have, right? I didn't twist this side properly. But that's okay, still look good. All right, so there is another style there, look, and that's another style that you can do. Or you can crisscross, all right, and it's all up, okay? And I got another style for you. So if you don't want to wear it this way, okay, take it down. Say you want to wear more your hair almost like kind of like in a pineapple. Let me show you how to do that one. So you can do a pineapple. All right. So, and there you go to, if you want it to do like a side part, you have the side part. You can wear your hair to the side like that. That looks great as well. And I got another one. You kind of want to wear it slick down. So what you would do is, so you would take some of the hair. Okay, I know it's curly hair, right? It's curly hair, and you just want it to look just different. So you put that to the side, and all right, so there you go again. There is another look. So you can wear it like this. So am I giving you guys life? Like, let me know, are you guys getting some life out of this video? So you can wear this hair like this as well, right? You can wear it like this. If you want to slick it under, you can actually do it so the back it's slicked under, right? But you're still getting life out of this, the style. And then you just put this one a little bit more, put the hair more fluffed, and look, you have a nice side slick down hair. And that is another video. So let me show another one, and that is another style. So let me do the pineapple and show you guys what it looks like. So if you wanted to do your hair into a pineapple, right? Okay, let me just adjust. Okay, so you want most of your hair to come up. So, right, so you want most of it to come up in the front. Okay, so front like this for a second. All right, let me get the headband on and adjust the headband. Okay, make sure you have it the way you want it. So this one, like I said, this hair is, the headband wig is so versatile. You can do so much with it, so much. All right, and okay, so there you go. All right, so I think I got it high enough. So for those, I say, in the house days when you have that, the high ponytail going on, you have this look to it, right? So this is like the high front bun, and you also, like I said, the pineapple, but I gotta use a different hair tie for this. So let me give you that pineapple look, where you just want your hair in the front, go in with a different hair tie, and you just want that high look. Because for me, around the house, when I don't want my hair in my face, I tend to wear a lot of these looks. So there you go. So you see, you have the high look, and you could have the, this is a high pineapple look where it's kind of, the hair is drenching down in your face, but your hair is done. Yeah, your hair is done. So that is another way. And you can also put up your hair in 2 pigtails if you would like. That's another look that you can go for. So you would just end up splitting the hair like you do any other hair in 2, and you want to put them up, do 2 buns, 2 puff buns. Okay, look at that. I got 2 high puff buns here, see? So there's so much ways that you can literally do with this hair that you can do with any other lace, any other wigs. And that's the thing that I like about this hair, that it's so versatile and it definitely bounce back. If you want, you could even do a nice 2 French braids going down or 1 going down, and you have so much different look that you can do as well with this wig. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join Shan Studio. Guys, we are trying to get to 1K on this channel. Yes, so let's tell your sister, tell your brother, your auntie, your cousin, your long distance cousin, long distance sister, long distance brother to come and join this channel. And yeah, if you guys have any other video suggestion as well, definitely link them in the comments below, and definitely let me know what video you guys would like to see on this channel. Like I said, I am always open to suggestions, and I'm always down in the comment section interacting with you guys. So definitely let me know what type of different videos you guys would like to see on this channel. Other type of videos, if you guys want more try on hauls, different ways to pair your outfits, definitely let me know. So I got a few videos coming for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.